Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Friday 20th of May. So yesterday I talked about SLP and how much SLP can go to the upside. So if I actually bring in this chart on a 4-hour time frame, isn't this what I just talked about yesterday, that when you break to the downside, the highest you will go, you are going to find resistance at this previous line right over here. So if I actually just drop this a little bit down here, you can even make that this broke to the downside, and right now it's finding resistance because all you're doing is you're finding one touch right over here, second touch right over there, and another touch right over here. And now weekends are coming in. Okay, weekends are approaching us, and today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, Sunday, and historically I always say that weekends are not good time for trading. So basically this is where the reversal might start for SLP to go to the downside, and finally Bitcoin also starts to dump as well. But whatever you do, you also have to keep in mind that if you start to break out of this bullish pattern, then the next resistance that you're going to be looking for is up here at the 5.8 level. That's the 1.272 of the fib retracement, and that's where you're going to find a nice good resistance potentially, which is going to be this level right over here. So that's what you're going to have to keep in mind. And it is a very straightforward update, a very simple one, quick one. And right now the next technical target you might be expecting for it is 463, and if things get nasty, this is the technical target that I'm still waiting for, 338. Okay, 0.00338 is the next level that actually is still pending on a reversal wave of the fib retracements to the downside. Can you get it? You're not guaranteed, but logically you should be getting it. And if things start to get bullish, we really need to cross the 1.272 to basically still kick in up there. So it has been a sideways movement ever since 14th of May. 6 days sideways movement, up down up down up down, right? So you're just moving sideways. Can you actually try to be bullish and try to break to the upside? That would be amazing, right? So there's this one thing that I have to even draw. Maybe this is turning out to be a descending triangle, and I'm going to show you in a second just there. So what you're doing right now is not a symmetrical triangle, but it's potentially old-fashioned descending triangle. And if you start to break out of the descending triangle, what you're going to get is from the top here to the bottom, and this is going to take you all the way down here to 372, which actually takes the last all-time high, which is this one right over here, signifying that you are still interested to come to the 1.618. so that apex, the decision actually comes in by 23 of May. So that's 3 days away from now. Before any time, it could be today, it could be tomorrow, you start to break to the downside and go to this technical target. So let's see what happens. But keep in mind, if you start to come to the end of the apex and break out of it, you are going to go up to where you form this descending triangle, which is going to be 646. It's all about where you break down, right? So that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you the next one, and guys, do join our Discord. This is the link for the Discord. Tap this link and you're gonna be in. If you're interested to learn about the trading course just the way I'm doing it, you can check out. You're gonna get $20 off if you're gonna pay with cryptocurrency. Message me on the Discord on how to do that, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.